What features should be mentioned about Rvpozwer 18BB 200W solar panel, 2 pieces, N-type 12V/24V, 100W solar panels? Why you should choose? Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. N-type panels have higher conversion efficiencies, lower attenuation rates, better low-light performance, more bifacial power generation, longer life, and lower temperature coefficients than P-type. 2 pieces 12V solar panels have a conversion efficiency of up to 25% and can provide monthly 1000 Wh of electricity per day, based on 5 to 6 hours of light per day. 100W solar panels are designed with the most advanced 18BB technology for higher photovoltaic conversion efficiency. Especially compared to 5BB/10BB solar panels, it enhances the strength of the cell and the lifespan of use. This 12V RV solar panel features an electroplated aluminum frame and impact-resistant tempered glass. Not only can it withstand strong winds of 2,400 Pa and snow loads of 5,400 Pa, and the corrosion resistance is better. Its service life can be more than 30 years. Monocrystalline solar panel frames have pre-drilled holes on the backside. It is perfectly suited to meet the mounting needs of various applications. And the mounting bracket is quickly and easily accomplished according to the desired scenario. Panel solar 100W perfect for quick setup in homes, workshops, and outdoor adventures, offering flexibility and ease to meet all your energy requirements. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.